Special CBI court has rejected A. Raja's plea to argue his own case for bail in the Apex court. We have Meenakshi joining us live from outside the special CBI court. Meenakshi, what really did the judge have to say while rejecting Raja's plea? What are the main reasons given to him?
Well, we have not yet procured a detailed copy of the order. Raja's plea was not just for Raja basically wanted to make an appearance in the Supreme Court to assist his lawyer of sorts in the ongoing 2G monitoring case which is going on in the Supreme Court. This matter, which was pending before the Patiala House Court, was with regards to only his appearance, because he felt that there were certain points in the argument stage which was being highlighted, which he could have added more weight to. For example, the new dimension which has now crept up into the entire 2G case with regards to the role of Mr. Chidambaram, which Supreme Court is seized of at this present moment, though the Supreme Court has not yet passed any opinion on the matter. So that was the plea that Raja had, because he felt that his appearance could have added more light to the case as and when the matter was being argued in the Supreme Court on the 10th of October. That is the forthcoming date for the 2G case in the Apex court. However, what we saw here was that the court, the Patiala House Court, just read the operative part of the order saying that Raja's plea is dismissed. Obviously, we will learn of the details in a short while from now. We will bring those details to you as soon as we procure a copy of the court's order, because the court would have given findings in that order itself. But prima facie, it is perhaps the court feels that Raja is adequately represented in the Supreme Court, and really there is no requirement for him to make any appearance to assist his lawyer while the matter is being argued in the Apex court.
All right, Meenakshi.